As some of you may have heard, we're in the midst of a planetary alignment. But what does that mean? The first thing I think of is this.
The planets will align ever so nice.
In reality, nothing is aligning at all. It just means that we can see several planets in the night sky at the same time. A planetary alignment is probably more accurately called a planetary parade. All the planets appear in a nice arc in the sky called the ecliptic. This is actually the same path that the sun traces through the sky. That's not a coincidence, it's just a matter of geometry. Virtually all objects in our solar system orbit in the same plane, which is the plane of the ecliptic. From our perspective here on Earth, that means that we see all the planets following the same path. But if everything orbits in the same plane, why don't we see planetary parades all the time? It all depends on where the planets are in their respective orbits. Right now, they're all on the same side of the sun. But if that weren't the case, some of them would only be visible during the day. So when is all of this happening? 6 planets have been visible since January 21st. And although Saturn is setting earlier every night, Mercury is going the opposite way and will meet up with it by February 24th. In that short window, all 7 planets will be visible in the night sky. In the interest of setting your expectations, Uranus and Neptune are very far away, which means they're not very bright at all. You'll need at least binoculars to see them, and probably better would be to have a telescope. On the other hand, Venus, Jupiter, and Mars are shining brightly and are easily visible with the naked eye. So the next time you hear about a planetary alignment, don't think about this.
Yes, a hit is rule.
Think about this.
Yeah,